Minta kasi ka kandai tere nailar ajar arpuwei adan ka jingsam kusnam da ka sarkar jilla lengba ka chief minister e champion conclave ajar arpuwei ka je de san phongwat kinang seng kam seng jam la jong haki liang ba repair jong ka jilla yakani ka kusnam la asam do mentri rangba ka jilla mikhalaya upkanrat ki sangma Shosho la kintu iksamla ki baseng yala ki jong ki kam ki jam la jong ba omdere lada pikelot henry pim day pat ban kinran die no nalak kam.
And as we all know that different events in our lives and different situations that we face generally shape the way we think. And the reason why as soon as the MDA government came in 2018, that we started focusing on entrepreneurship, is because I've gone through a very difficult phase of entrepreneurship myself. But what I'm trying to tell you is, having gone through that entire process and the difficulty that entrepreneurs face, I felt very strongly that I've been given a chance by God Almighty to really make a difference for the young entrepreneurs, at least who are there now. And I felt very strongly that maybe this is a chance for me to create a chance for the entrepreneurs, the kind of chance which I did not get when I was an entrepreneur, and maybe make things slightly better and put whatever experience I had in my entrepreneurship career, which was not very great, by the way. It was a very bad phase for me. And I'm so happy to see that in the last 2 years, though it has been very challenging again because of the COVID situation that we faced, but still, we have seen a large number of success stories. And you've heard testimonies from the entrepreneurs themselves as to how this program actually helped them at the end of the day. How they managed to, grow their business, learn so many new things, get the financial support, maybe not 100%, but at least that simple support that is sometimes required. And as an entrepreneur, all of us know that sometimes it's just the small things that really matter to us. Things get so difficult sometimes that even if we have another friend who's going through the same difficulty, we can at least sit and talk about it, and that itself is motivational to all of us. So being able to provide that environment where somebody can tell you that it's okay to take the risk and fail also, because I also failed. Just hearing that is motivational. So that's really what we are trying to do out here. We want to tell the youth of this state, of this region and of this country, that it is okay to try, okay to take risks, it is okay to try new things, and it is absolutely okay to fail also. But it is not okay to not stand up again and not try again and continue fighting for what you believe in and what you think you're doing the right thing. You must realize that passion is important. So all these things are there, but at the end of the day, know what you really think in your heart, believe in it, and don't give up. And that's really what an entrepreneurship is. Because you will fail, I should say you will fall, not fail. You will fall, but you get up again. So when I started my business, I failed again and again and again. Every day I was failing, and I just couldn't make it. And there were times when I really thought that I don't know whether I'm doing the right thing or not. But then I just kept going on. I just kept smiling in front of my team members, and it moved on. And by God's grace, things are very different today. We have a much larger base in terms of the internet service provider. I'm talking about the company. I've left the company now because there's a question of office of profit or something. I forgot. Again, another P. But today, I would like to just stress on one or two things that I feel are very crucial for all of you and for us as a whole. Number one, when it comes to entrepreneurship, please remember, it all develops, or the ideas come with some kind of a need, some kind of a crisis, some kind of an opportunity that is there. And all of the stories I heard today all came out because you realized that there was a need for something. And you realized that there was no product in the market or a process in the market that could fulfill that need. So therefore, An entrepreneurship always realizes an opportunity and a gap and sees it and realizes what is the best way and the most economical way to provide the right solution. So I use the word solution because product and processes are not solutions. They are just components of the solution. An entrepreneur in today's world provides solutions to problems. Remember that. Solution is what you need to provide. So if you want to be a successful entrepreneur, remember to be able to provide the solution at the right cost. And that is going to be key to your success.
Ngani tu EP 2019 mi wanra ya kani ke platform kum kawai ke platform ka ba ya kiriu it mariam ya ki prasamla kamdei tang na po es kesel district na no district na baro ajla meglia ini wanra kani ke platform ka main objective hi kalong ban preserve ban protect ban conserve ya kami mariam te kumbangong ya pi kiladon ki project ha kisnem ki balalai ha ka forba nomor ngi dei ka batch ka first batch ka bangi yo ban incubate sa kaneka ka prime startup te kijit nang tu kumba san pho kita ki team ki na ki khat lai ka sau spa tali ki application ki pathap te ngi ru yo rung ngin ha ka tu ka por ha ka ta top 50 te mentau snam ru kala dei ka kini ki dei ki second batch yang ini isu kot teman graduate ke kidon certificate kiban pun ki graduation mah bangil ada biaya nanti kan te 2000 ha katai ka snam itu ipi te ngiorong ka top 50 te ngio ka recognition ka government but ki certificate but in cash te pemtahi ka jingyai lenti ka jungi ka jingtrai ka jungi na kaliang Green Tech Foundation golong ban trai na mata ka memoriang ban penek pensai ka memoriang la kilong kido ki sim kido but kiba la ban ki cloud ki tap kilum kiwa ma kumbang ong yepi ka main objective hi jong ka foundation jong ka Green Tech Foundation nyimdon kanu ka jing temu ka bangin ngin wanra gino ban le business lane ban le gino project mo kamanya nama ki babon apa foundation hi ngidon la ka jong kam ni muat ngaro ngadon la ka jong kam ka banga ngatrai ngata mo ndrei kaneng ri tu hi kalong tang ka platform te ndrei la register ken ya kane ka foundation kalong tang ka platform ka kenhun ka ba ngiyo bani snok tilang paro kirum it mariang kan kane tementang ila ya bon ba ki kai ka bangidang ban dapan penrung kum ki volunteer seru hakini ki te kendiat na syukwa ban keren ya kane program ka dai minta sini kane program to be honest nganong ipi ngai ke jing yoro goman ngai ke jing yoro goman nomor belai kajit kawa ka ai kata ka platform ka ba kini ki badon ya kata ka idea dai panle ya kanu ke business kijit ken ki wan ra kelum langhang ne te ya kini pat ki train ki shu kumno bakin nang la ban kiyo la kalong ban di ki products jongki la kalong ban telun ya ki project ki jongki te ki airu ke jing harap pisah kabamut kini top 25 ki ai kumba 1 lakh te kini ki top nama top 50 di apsan ngut kila ai entah ki ai cash price 1 lakh but 20 or 50,000 te hadin nang tu shu kamut ba ki support biang gai nama menta kila bu kawai popolo kaban ai ke jaka training ini di san pungut kentu biangi ki san pungut bat kawai shitura ki badai stay than garo hills kila shatai bet ki badai sene sa kasi jentia kamut kila dai support sene popolo kala don menta te ngai bakane ke kershan ba mencam senam kadang dai kumang ong ipi ke fast batch kim padadon ba batip ma menta senam ngayo sengu menta itu idon iwi ba ai training i ong ba idon ki nong tap application ki poi gumba khat niao khat prospa ege te par khat ma ki na ki khat niao khat prospa tli ki ideas ha ki ba ki pha ya ki proposal jong ki san pungut ki shajet atrai kam dai ka te ngit skam magini ki fa kini ki skan ba chru kin dang la shu ban ya kam ki ki ban la shu ban ki ku business ka jong ki amal kumba ong i we nong kran mene ba kini ki san pungut ki dai ki role model jong ka meglia kini hi ki ban sa create employment ini hi kiban sa ai kam ai jam nama hi kaparthai kerdukam sarkar menta nginumla ni don kam ya kita ki job creator kita ki job seeker lagi babun ni don kam ki noksna kam ke kermen nama iwai itu ibala job ne kidon ke ideas pe de katu ke ideas ken penteri kam yang tu kidon kam ki employees ki kiban trei to kam de kemut lak no san pungut kidon kam kidon trei kel dasan pungut kemut to manus nam let's say si spangut ken penmi kam penmi jam kalau long ngejing kerku bakrau tak bakum kanai kejing ya kenduk jing mo wat kam jam kena samlam ta dengis kamba kane kan mengkut kane program tang tahun senam nama menta kalau dia 2.0 ngis kam next year kan dia 3.0 for tetap target kanang ya cucu nama napo IIM Kolkata ru ki la support ki babun ki dei nang taihi ba support ya kane ka prime startup apa media ni kumangong epin nama bangi trace pangamariang dai ni i kan ki jabo kini ki jaban ki bakan top na ki class to ki wes ke ki bangi la ban convert into wall lan ngi la ban penmi pisaru ki ha ki wei giri ki wei ki jaka ki wei ki jela ki bru mentah ki mi isu ia ki jabo kum ki jabo ki yo i kini kum ka pisah tehang ne ru hak state jongi kala don kam ban pen bangi ngin don kata kejengmut jeng perkhat pi ila e pula ila anang start ngil ban perkhat no bakan ne une ubilor kane plastik katai ka kot kini kim dai ban sulai chanala ban penjabo ek memoria kini kini ban kelalong ka pisah ke tingi design ni pha ko ke design syaga ngakan mau ning kong ni pha design sepo West Coastal District sepo DC office tenang tu ki i kabiang tikila ai jengmut yangi ban ya compete hakane mong hakini senam lada ban compete kadon kane competition hakane ke tingi pha tak design jongi kumno ban treat ya kiwes kumno ban convert ya kiwes ya ki ya ban penkala ya kita ki jabo jaban bandi biang ban penbaha biang ban recycle biang ni sena kata design ka biang hangta genki salakini
ni la seng ya kan ka kamai ha basungkai haus nam ar hajar khat khandai te menta as nam ni ha ka jing ya lenti jongi ni akan du kum ka tim hi ni akan du sibun ki jing ban ni Henry ngis ngungu pat ya kan ka prime hub ya ka bakalala ya ka ban wandra ka ayang ya kan recognition mo kenang bagi nang la ban ya syakmat kan ka business ka jongi te ka jo ka por ngakwa ya ka ban ai ku bele ya ka tim hi baro ka we ya ka tim kamai ha basongkai nadu ki nong ri nyang ki nong thir sai ba ki nong khan ki jongi ya ka ba ki ru ki la trace tom lem da ka jing ya trace tom lem da ka jing ya trailang ka jongki ngin nom la ban poi hadu ka ni thong ha ka baning kong hingi kiwan na kanika namar kilayo snow kilayo i thara ya ki kam ki jongi ti kiwan leng ba ka office jong ka besen tena besen kiwan ya ka ban penslur yang ki ong ki sa apply ya kanika i champion mo apply ya kan ya tikila peniara pro yengi ya kabangin apply yang ila tap ya ki form ki jongi di hadian kata pat kum kan dia naka liang jong ka ya syaran dia gila syak se kajing sisa kum bapai biang syak kamai haba songkai kamut tang bangi ngimpu tang ya kan tir ksai kano ka kam ka bangi tray part time yong no ka yong ka leisure time earning kano kam ka bangi snow tanat ban tray habangi song habangi pet TV katahi kala de kam dia di penseluruh ya kini ki long kemi ya ki kena samlamo ya ka ba kuma kan ni ka perthei kerdu kam bangin seng ya ki kam lejong ti ha bangi seng ya ki kam lejong ngadon nak experience nak jing mat ke jong ha kan ni jing ya lenti jong ngadon ban ong kum ni ka wei ka long plan the work and work on the plan ni hak pandon kata ke business plan nga sedang ya ka business jonga nadu kisnem ar hajar khatar henry nga feel no namar balai ngamdon ke plan ngalade ru ngam leran ban ya tu bang alade ru ka bang defaulter ha itu isnem namar ngam don kaplan la sulet sim la kalet sim ya kalun bat kata kade ka jingmlian jongi khantam ki khasi ngi sim la ka sim ya kalun te habangi mla ban sew ngi sa ki defaulter te hendrai mentana na kan ni experience jonga ngasiam ba ngi haban don ya kata ka business plan kaba arban kanu ka kam ka bangi trairu ngi day ya kaban give our 100% ni day ban ai tilut bat ban yai ne hak ka kam ka bangi tre namar bun sien ha bangi tre ngi ino si teng nimpoi sa kataka kathong bat sa ka wei pat ka bakhat du e ba we should be surrounded by positive people, they will lift us up. Ngamut pan ong ba ngidai bandon kita kinong kersan kinong support yang ni kenang bangila ban poi sa katong klem kinong support la dangi yang marway nginom la ban poi sa katong